Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a KatVonD Lolita palette try-on swatches and review with the KatVonD Lolita colored lipstick. Do you want to see how I created this look and what this palette is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this Lolita KatVonD lipstick has become my favorite. I received this in my last BoxyCharm box, and this has become my favorite. So it made sense for me to finally break down and buy her Lolita palette. Plus, it's the colors that I love and gravitate to almost every single day. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over the palette. I'm gonna do the swatches, and then I will play the video on how I created this look. So here is the packaging, and again, this is the KatVonD Lolita Eyeshadow palette. It is just stunning. I like all the colors. There's all of the names. Let's see, here we go. So here's the names to all of the colors. I did not pronounce them, I just pointed. So if you want to know the names, there they are. So let's go ahead and get this guy opened. And oh my gosh, it's been sitting here waiting for me to do this try on, and I've been dying to use this, but I had my whole MAC collection that I just did for you guys, and I had ColourPop ones that I just recently did. So now I finally made it to this guy, debuting today. So there is the packaging, and it has, this is all, Lolita is all like in a raised, shiny finish, which looks so pretty. And there's the back with it just telling you all of the colors again. And then going inside, there is a mirror, and here are the colors. I did just use them doing my try on right now, but there are all of the colors. These are just so gorgeous. Now I ordered this from Sephora. And this again, I got into my BoxyCharm, but I did go to KatVonD's website and order one of these when I did my collab with Georgia Sunshine, because I sent her all my favorites, and this is my favorite, so I had to put it in that box for her. So I know this is around on different companies, plus KatVonD's site as well. And then this Lolita palette I ordered directly from Sephora. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches for you guys, so hold on. Okay, you guys, so here is the complete palette, starting with, this is the lightest color, all the way down to all 8 shades. And, oh my goodness, I am totally loving this palette. Even though I have other palettes that are similar colors, especially like the IBY one that I use like 5 to 6 times a week, this just has a little bit different shades. I feel like it blended so well, and the colors look amazing together. Even my the Huda Beauty Huda Beauty new nudes palette that I have, that I really love, and it has kind of similar colors. This is still gorgeous, and I am going to now start grabbing for this more and cutting back on the others, just to kind of like mix it up a little bit. Plus, I think that is gorgeous, and those are the colors that I really like wearing every day, and I feel very comfortable with. And it looks so good with the lipstick, you guys. So that is everything that I have to say. I feel like these did blend very well. The colors and the pigments are so good. Again, I use pretty much a lot of the colors in this look to try them all out for you guys, and I am loving it. So definitely comment down below and let me know what you think of this look and how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and how I put this look together, then that will follow. I am not a makeup artist. I'm not saying this is how to apply makeup. I'm just showing you how it applies on me with what I'm comfortable, and how I apply my own makeup with my own hooded eyes. So that is that. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then here you go. Okay guys, so in this palette, there's not like a white. This is actually like a light pink. So I'm going to do what I normally do and start with my MAC Vanilla as my base. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna use my new MAC brush. And you guys, whenever I have to apply mine, because I have hooded eyes, I have to raise my eyebrows every time to do that, or else it's not, I'm not getting it in there. Like, there's no way I would be getting, there's no way. I have to raise them. So since this is the Lolita palette, I feel like I need to use Lolita, even though I just want to go in with this one and call it a day. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this color in there as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this color I'm eyeing right here. I'm gonna try to take this color right here just to kind of pat on my lower lid. And in that same shade, I'm just gonna kind of blend up here to make this not such a harsh line. And right now I'm going in with this color right here, just to add a little bit darker in the corner. So down on the bottom, I put a little bit of this in there, and then I did the lighter color towards the front. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this darkest color right here for my corner. Okay, so because of one of my gorgeous and wonderful longtime subscribers, I have a KatVonD blush. So let me go ahead and put this on. And I'm going to use my Ofra highlighter. And it wouldn't make this look complete with the KatVonD Lolita palette without using Lolita as the color lipstick. So let's get this on. And this I actually got like in one of my last BoxyCharms, and I'm so glad because this is my favorite, and it has been my favorite ever since I received it. And I think it is so pretty. And you guys, I am actually really loving how this eyeshadow came out. So here is my completed look. What do you think? Do you like it? What do you think? Okay, you guys, so that is exactly how I created this look that you're seeing right now. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this review. I am absolutely loving this palette, and I'm so glad that I finally had time to sit down and show you guys, because I now want to start using this on my daily routines in the morning and start putting this into action more instead of just sitting here waiting to be used. So thank you again so much for tuning in and watching this look. Your positive interaction means the world, so please comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this. Do you think that the look came out well? Do you think that it blended well? Do you think it looks okay? Because I am totally loving the way that it turned out on myself. So thanks again, you guys, for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.